Hello guys! Welcome back again to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon para lagi kayong updated sa mga new upload ko. So for today video vlog guys is sponsored.
Sponsor time!
Ayan, so guys, meron na naman tayong product dito na i-unbox mula sa isang sponsor o seller sa Amazon. So, kung interesado kang malaman kung ano ang laman ng box na ito, chat ka lang, hindi pa ako tapos. So, yun guys, yan ang ating box for today. So, i-unbox na natin ito guys. Ayan, meron akong scissor dito, syempre. And then, ayan, puntahin lang natin ito dito sa side.
On the side again. Maybe
Guys, sa may side. Puntingin na natin. Ayan. Wow! Nabuksan na guys. Oh, ang ganda. Oh, nice. Siyempre, merong yan, mga palaman-palaman. So, ito yung ating product, guys. Ayan. Isa siyang LED strips or strip lights. So, ayan yung ating product na i-review for today, guys. Isa siyang LED strip lights. Ayan, so mayroon siyang note dito sa likod. Supply voltage of this product is DC 12 volts. Never connect to other volts. So, ano lang siya guys, pang 12 volts lang siya. So, please keep the line right connection. So, please keep the temperature of installing 20 C to 45 C, negative 20 C to 45, negative 45 C. So, packaging is okay naman. Maganda ang kanyang packaging. Maganda yung box na ginamit nila. So, ang brand nito guys is LONGFENNER. Ayan, LONGFENNER LED strip lights. So, yan. Meron siyang ayan. So, buksan na natin guys, okay? So, kung katulad siya nung ni-review ko nung una. Diba guys, kung natatandaan nyo, nag-review na rin ako ng isa nito. Ayan, so, ito yung sa power cable. So, ayan, meron siyang ating remote dito. Tsaka itong pinaka-cable. So, adapter. So, yan siya, ganyan. And then, dalawa din sila guys. So, dalawa siya. So, yan, dalawa. Meron siyang caution na nakalagay dyan sa labas ng packaging. So, maganda. Naka-packaging sila. Separate. Ayan. So, tingnan natin guys yung ating LED strip. So, unahin natin ito. So, yan siya. Yung kanyang clicker. Ayan, may different colors yung kanyang clickers. Merong on and off button dito. Yung dalawa. And then, this one is ayan, meron siyang flash, meron siyang strobe, fade, and smooth. Meron siyang red, green, and blue color. Tas white. So, white. So, yan. Siguro ito yung sa brightness, guys. So, ito yung i-connect sa LED. Yan. Sa strips. I think itong mga to. So, let's try this one. So, meron siyang manual. So, ito yung kanyang manual. So, medyo maliit ang sulat ng kanyang manual. So, ayan guys, tingnan natin yung kanyang feature. So, ang brand niya nga guys is LONGFENNER. Then, LONGFENNER LED strip lights 39.36 feet. Ayan, 12 meters. Ayan, 12V power supply. So, 12 volts lang siya, guys. Wireless smart app. Ayan, 50-50 RGB light, 360 LEDs with 24 key IR remote control, sync to music. Ayan, may music pala, guys. Flexible colors changing for home, bedroom, and kitchen. So, ang price niya, guys, is regular price is $34.99. Tapos, kung Prime ka, meron ka, makakasave ka ng $3. So, ang babayaran mo na lang is $31.99. So, ayan. So, ayan, guys, 39.36 feet ang kanyang haba. So, So, ayan siya, guys. Parang iba ito. Iba yung ano niya. Design naman nito. Parang iba naman yung design nito. Wala na kasi yung nauna ko eh. Pinadala ko na sa Pinas. So, diba? Same lang sila, guys. Merong mga ganyan, oh. And then, kung gusto mo siyang gupitin dito, guys, meron siyang ito. Yung line. Yung line na yan, dyan mo siya gugupitin kung yung tama na yung haba na gusto mo. So, yan siya gugupitin, guys. Dyan. Yung meron pinaka-copper dyan. Yan yung may line na yan. So, dyan mo siya gugupitin. So, try natin ito. Tingnan kung paano siya So, attentions, ayan, LED strip must be used under 12 volts. The remote control must be aligned to the infrared receiving of the controller. Arrow to arrow, the arrow between the remote controller and the strips must be arrow to arrow. So, arrow to arrow daw. The strip lights are not waterproof. Ayan, di siya daw waterproof and are suitable for indoors. So, please, make sure that the surface you are going to paste is clean, flat, and dry. So, bawal siya sa basa, guys. So, meron siyang strong self-adhesive. So, ito yung sinasabing strong self-adhesive, guys. Yan. Ipipil mo yan. Ipipil mo itong kulay pula na ito. Kung gusto mo siyang gamitin, ganyan yung ididikit mo. Ayan. So, guys, napipil siya, guys. So, nakita niyo, guys. So, ayan. And then, meron siyang multi-color variation. Meron siyang multi-color variation and cuttable and linkable. So, yun nga, yung cuttable siya, guys. Ayan. Ito nga yung guhit dito. Cuttable yan, guys. And, attention ulit. Once the strip are cut, both ends will need separate power source. Ay, ganun pala yung, guys. Kapag nakat na siya, kailangan, yung nakat, guys, meron din siyang sariling power source. So, meron lang isa dito, guys. If cut are made by accident, it can be fixed by adding additional connector not included in the package. So, meron pala siyang additional connector na bibilhin, guys. Hindi siya included sa package. Ayan, so how to connect the LED strip lights. Ayan, make sure that your connection is correct. Here's some notes for the steps to install. Ayan, please expand the LED strip light before you connect to power supply. So, ito na lang, guys, gamitin natin, ha? Isa lang muna.
To be with you, call my name, love, ooh, somebody else, and that is you, ooh, falling in with you, not the only one doing me, you already feel it there, give me a little more dark in the spotlight, do I wanna know something, you look into my eyes and fell love feeling, then nothing got a dream like a sweet night, hey, come on closer now, waiting for you. But tomorrow's slowly, oh yeah.
So, yan guys. Try na natin yung ating LED strip light. So, yan guys. Maganda to sa inyong kitchen, sa bar, sa likod ng inyong TV, sa ceiling, sa inyong room, or sa living room. And then, pwede rin ito i-decorate sa room ng inyong mga anak. And, diba? Pwede rin natin itong gamitin sa mga occasion, guys. Sa mga wedding, or sa party, sa mga birthday party, or ngayong darating na Halloween and Christmas. Pwede natin gawing decoration yan, guys. And then, pwede nyo rin isync yan sa music, guys. I-download nyo lang yung Tech Life Pro na app para ma-connect nyo yung LED strip. Mayroon yung Wi-Fi. So, i-connect nyo yan sa inyong phone para magamit nyo yon as a remote control in case na hindi na-accurate yung inyong remote control. So, pwede nyo gamitin yung phone nyo bilang remote control kapag na-connect nyo na yung app sa inyong phone. So, mas maganda yun guys compare dun sa unang ni-review ko na wala nun. So, ilalagay ko yung Amazon link dyan sa my description guys if you wish to purchase. So, for me guys, maganda siya. Mas maganda ito compare dun sa una kong ni-review dahil nga meron siyang music. Pwede mo siyang i-link sa music. I-sync sa music. Diba? Mas maganda siya. And then, ayun guys, so that's all for today. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and share. So ayun guys, before I end this video, gusto ko muna syempre mag-shoutout sa aking #1 basher dyan na si Kabilog's World. So guys, stay tuned. Meron akong inihanda para sa inyo. Ayan, so please enjoy the show. And Kabilog, nakabawi na ako sa iyo.